handful of demonstrators protested outside of Tesla's Fremont, California factory yesterday.
Angry over Elon Musk's involvement in cryptocurrency.
Members of the new cryptocurrency Stopelon said that Musk has far too much power over the cryptocurrency market.
His praise of the joke currency Dogecoin led to that currency's rise.
And his announcement that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin sent the price down a big 10%.
Protesters say the goal of their new cryptocurrency movement is to take on Musk from inside his own company.
Plan to take over Tesla. A couple of years potentially, but our plan is to essentially purchase as many shares of Tesla as we can through this cryptocurrency movement. And also to put together a sort of voting trust, which will allow other people to participate in doing that.
The group also has a mission of getting Musk off of Twitter. Stop Elon is one of at least 2 cryptocurrency tokens to be created solely to protest Musk's